Hey YouTube, how's it going? So in this tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can create awesome Shopify website with the Susan theme, and I'll also show you how you can import the demo data in your online store. So here, like as you can see, there are multiple demos that have been provided by Susan theme here. So once you have purchased the theme, you will need to download this, and in this video I'll also be showing you how we can create awesome responsive Shopify store with Susan theme. So I have a demo design here. I'll show you which we will be creating over the Shopify with Susan theme. So this is the website that we are actually going to create with Susan theme. So this is actually the banner part, which will come in the header banner as a slide image, and as we can see, here is the header with logo, some text in the right hand side, and navigation menu with cart and search icons. And then comes the products grid, wherein some products have been shown, and here some featured content and some image. So we are going to create this website with Shopify, and here is the footer that we will be creating. So first of all, let's download the theme, and then I'll show you how we can import some demo content on our website, and then we can start with the design. So I have already downloaded the theme and I have unzipped it. As we can see, the theme comes with these all data. Here is the demo content and demo products. So we already have products export that we can add some products to our website, demo products. And here we have some designs for home pages. So I will be taking the design of home 3, like this one over here, home 3, this version. So I like this design, so I'm taking it. So here I have already opened, as you can see here. So this matches my design a little bit, and I can modify it. As you can see here, there are 2 featured contents and some products, and then comes the image and this header bar. I will modify it. So as I'll just go to this, and I have already opened the home 3 content. I'll just copy it and I'll go to my theme backend. I'll go to my theme backend, and then I'll add this code. I'll go to online store, and I'll go to edit code to import the data in my website. So I'll show you how currently my website is actually looking. So this is how my website is actually looking currently. So I'll add the data to my website. Here, so I'll go to the config part, settings, data.json. I'll remove the data that is already there and paste it from the data what I have copied from a config a text 3 version homepage. So I have done this. I have already saved it. I'll go and reload this page. Okay, so I have saved it. I'll just go and reload this page, and alright, so the demo has already been imported, and I'll go and customize this design as per my theme that I have got. So I need the design like this, so I'll just go ahead and customize it. So firstly, I'll go to the backend here, and I'll just go to the backend, wait, and I'll go to the customize. From here I'll just go to customize. Now from here I'll take this. Okay, so some data has been hidden. Okay, so alright, so we can modify the data as per our need from here. Alright, so here I need the products. I will remove the unwanted data. So this data I don't need, so I'll just remove it. Latest arrival section. Okay, this is the latest arrival section, and then simple banner. Okay, I'll just remove this since I don't need it. News section also I don't need it, so I'll remove it. And this section I actually need it in footer. As you can see here in my design, the subscription box is there in the footer, so I will need it in footer. So I'll just hide it. Slideshow. I'll see what kind of slideshow is it. So this is the slideshow. Let's just see if we can modify the image. Alright, I don't need this section as well, so I'll remove it. And there are many unwanted sections that we can remove. Okay, though, so the service feature section is also there, we don't need it. And this section also, testimonial section, we also don't need that. Biographic section, this is the biographic section, and we don't need that as well. Let's see if it is there. Okay, so we only need 2 images. Alright, we can remove this section as well. And categories banner. So what is the categories banner? Okay, that's actually the categories banner. We can remove this. Alright, we can keep it since actually here there are 2 sections, or we can just link them to the category. Tab with product, so this is the tab with product, but in our design there is no tab, only products are there. So let's see if we can add only products. And I'll just go here and check to add the products. So here I'll just go to modify the slider full width, and then I have modified it and I have changed the background image of that, and so the banner has came up. And I have removed all the title and subtitles because I don't need them, since the text is already there in my image. Then I'll just go ahead and add the products. So as we can see, the products are coming with tab, so I don't need them with tab. I need them with without the tab. So here one product is coming, so I'll just drag this product to the top. So I'll just take the tab and I'll just go ahead and check the latest arrivals section over here. What is the latest arrivals? So below the testimonial area, this is the latest arrival section. I'll just take it below the slider. So this came up here, and I'll just go ahead and check my design. So here the title is your books are here. So I'll just go here and modify the title. Here I'll write it as your books are here, and we will need to modify the font. Obviously we can modify it later via theme settings. I'll remove this description since I don't need it, and we will need the product, 3 products in one row. So okay, so I'll keep the row limit to be 1 and product limit to be 3, since in my design there are 3 products. Then we can just go ahead and modify this. Here the home page section collections are coming, the products from home page collections are coming. We can change it to any other collections if needed.